Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market and Greenhouses. This Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we would like to invite you out for our annual Mother's Day sale. This year we're going to have 10-inch hanging baskets and 32 count flats on sale at 2 for $35. And you can mix and match those items. So you could have a flat and a hanging basket, or within a 32 count flat, you can also switch out the packs in those flats to create your own. We're also going to have our 4.5 inch pots and larger combination baskets, deco pots, tropicals, rose bushes, and much more. So come on out and join us this weekend. Oh, and also on our website at bobsmarket.com, we have a registration where you can sign up to win a $100 Bob's Market gift card. So you can sign up now through next Tuesday, and we'll be having the drawing on our weekly live stream, Bob's Live, every Tuesday at 5 p.m. So join us next Tuesday at 5 p.m. when we announce the winner. From all of us here at Bob's Market, we would like to wish you a happy Mother's Day.